Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can edit or delete a message in Google Chat on mobile. So you can open the conversation. So you can open the chat message. You can select the message that you want to edit or delete. So for example, just tap and hold and you can click edit to edit the text or message, or you can delete. Just click delete to delete. So for example, I'm going to edit, click edit and just type so edited. To delete, just tap and hold again and select delete. So deleted. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.